Media Grab is a free add-on that simplifies the process of importing images into your Adobe Express projects. Let me show you how it works. When I'm working on a project, I often need to include my logo, profile photo, or some of the icons that I've used before in a different project. To do this, I will simply enter my website's address in the URL bar and watch as Media Grab extracts all the images. Let me drag and drop my profile photo into the current project. Then, at the bottom of the add-on, there is also a navigation box that contains all the images on the website. We can use this to explore and find exactly what we need. Let's add the Media Grab logo to the project as well. With Media Grab, we can also browse public domain sites that offer free content. Let's check out SVG repo as an example. I will add this icon into my project. Now we see a reminder to double check the usage rights of the image. With SVG repo, I already know that these icons are free for commercial use, but you should always double check usage rights before adding an image into a live project. Make your image importing easier with Adobe Express. Give Media Grab a try.